y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, so if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And guys, don't forget, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and make sure to tap that notification bell so you know when I do upload. As you can see, today we have the May 2020 single swag box. Now this box is always so much fun to open. You don't have to be single. I am not single, I am married, and I still get this box. I love it so very much. It is $39.99 a month, and you receive like around 6 to 7 items. Usually there's a yummy snack, there's a piece of jewelry, it's just a great variety of products, and it just is always amazing, fun stuff that makes you feel good. I do have a link I'll put down below that will actually save you $15 off your first box. So if you want to give it a try and at least get 1 month, save $15, go ahead and sign up. But let's get in here and see what we got for May 2020. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. We have a card here on top. Now this card will go over all of the items in the box and give us the price as well as the total price of the box. So they go ahead and add it all up for us, which I really appreciate. So it says, loving yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in and peel back this paper. Oh, I see some goodies. Let's see, can you see there? Woo. All right, so the first thing I see is a headband, and it's the knotted headband. These are very popular. One of my best friends, Kitty, Kitty's Boxes, she loves these headbands like this. And they are super cute, I do have to admit, and I actually really like this one. So let's see what this says. This is from Blue Revival, Got Me Twisted Denim Top Knot Headband. This is $24. This stylish, trendy, 100% cotton, one size fits all, is great for at home or on the go wear. Now, one thing I can already tell about this headband, because I have some headbands, but I just don't really wear them because they kind of hurt my big old head. This is like super stretchy, so I don't think this is going to give me a problem. So I may be wearing this headband in the future. I really like it. All right, and then we have got from Hannah Sienna Silky Papaya Infused Bath Salts. And this says, this is $20. Transform your regular bath into a therapeutic oasis with these natural calming bath salts infused with real papaya oil designed to smooth, detoxify, and moisturize your skin. I wonder what they smell like. Ooh, it's a light scent, but it's just like, it just smells really good. It smells fresh and yummy and all that goodness. All right, and then we have got from Dr. Botanicals, Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. This is $13. This truly all-natural, vegan-friendly sleeping mask, high in antioxidants to nourish and cleanse, is a perfect hydrating overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin. Ooh, I love sleeping mask. And I love pomegranate. So here is what the actual product outside looks like. That's awesome. Love sleeping mask. Work on my skin while I sleep. All right, and then we have got, this is from So Susan Cosmetics Rose Gold Liquid Highlighter. Right there. $22. This skin softening water-based illuminator containing hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and promote skin elasticity will provide a silky, subtle glow designed to last throughout the day. Hypoallergenic and gluten, cruelty, and paraben free. It says vegan, gluten-free, no mineral oil, paraben-free, phthalate-free. It's It's got hyaluronic acid, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, acetyl hexapeptide 3, and lingonberry seed extract, if I said that correctly. It's got all the good stuff and not the bad stuff. So here is what it looks like. Let's see. Put a little bit on my hand. So it does come out kind of that like, whoa, okay. So a little bit goes a long way. So can you guys see that sheen? Like, whoa. It is very pretty though. And it's very, very soft. Like, and once it's rubbed in, I don't feel like any tackiness. I kind of put it in a weird spot, but it definitely gave me a sheen. That is for sure. All right. And then we have got, let's see, Feel Free Herb Infusion Mild Cleansing Foam. This is $30. This oxygenating cleanser with ginger extract has a creamy and soapy texture designed to remove the most tenacious impurities and balance the skin. Gently massage the product into your face, then rinse with water and dry without rubbing. Oh, okay. That sounds nice. That sounds really nice. And it's cruelty-free, which is good. All right, I'm excited. I'm all about trying, I love trying new face washers. So then we have, so we have our little treat this month, and this is Mr. Cake Cinnamon Crumb Cakes, $3. Indulge in these delectable mini cinnamon flavored cakes. Eat out of the package or follow the heating instructions to warm up. Yeah, they won't even make it to the microwave. Those sound amazing. All right, and then we have from Indigo Authority. This is a crescent horn long necklace and earring set, $72. Holy guacamole. Okay. So here is what it looks like. Wow. The crescent horn is thought to represent inner strength and fierce protection. This versatile long necklace and earring set is perfect for dressing up or down day or night. Lobster clasped necklace, 20-inch chain with 4-inch extender. Wow, $72. That is crazy. It does look very well made though, I do have to give it that. The little earrings are just, they're cute. So there is that set. And then we got a book. Sometimes you get a book, sometimes you don't. This is a New York Times bestseller, Janice Kaplan, The Gratitude Diaries. In this New York Times bestseller, Janice Kaplan spends a year living gratefully and transforms her health, work, and family life. Through warmth, humor, and appealing insight, Kaplan empowers readers to think positively and improve many aspects of their life and start living their own best year. And this is $18. So we have the book, we have the earrings and necklace set, the face wash, we had the bath salts, the rose gold liquid highlighter, which is gorgeous. We have the pomegranate sleeping mask from Dr. Botanicals, the adorable little knotted denim headband, and of course our little treat, the little coffee crumb cake. And the total retail value for this box for May 2020 is $202. So definitely got our money's worth. So like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Single Swag and treat yourself. Like I said, you don't have to be single. I'm married. I still get it. I love it. I think it's an amazing box. And it's just always got such a good variety of products. So like I said, that link will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.